Hi, now let's see how to make PDF pages bigger and bold before taking printout. So this is the original document where we'll go to the file menu. Now click on the print option, and now in the left hand side print handling, we'll be able to see fit to printer margins. Let's select the fourth option, the custom scale. And now let's have it as 100% and see. So this is how it's going to be printed, but we are going to change it to 150% and check it whether it will be okay for us. Yeah, now it looks good. And now we will check with the right arrow that is available above the OK button, and now it looks good. Let's confirm it one more time by changing it to 100%. If it's going to be 100%, how it will look like, and click on the right arrow. So it's going to be somewhat smaller. So let's again make the custom scale to 150% and recheck it. Now it looks good. It's really good to take a printout. And now we are going to save this as a PDF file where I'm using Foxit PDF. Either you can use the Foxit PDF or the Microsoft PDF. Select that and click on OK. So where it will ask for the location to save the PDF file, and I am naming it as big size, and click on save. It will start saving as a PDF file with the latest change that we have made with 150%. Now it's complete and it will open automatically. So this is that 150% converted document. So we are going forward and backward with the 100% and the 150% document. So this is the 150% document that we have made it ready. So it looks good right now, and we will also check with 100%. Yeah, even in 100% it looks good. So this is how we can make a PDF file bigger before we take a printout. So make use of these options and get a good print of the file that you want to take a printout before making the changes. Thank you.